Okay. Property type is a good categorical variable. Let's select the property type. We'll get categorical variables. Now this is currently showing as stable. Right. This by default has taken it as stable. So if I click on the slicer part now, it will convert it into slicer. Okay. Now this property type, we can change it to, so it is currently showing as vertical. So we can make it as horizontal. Okay. So the property type is currently horizontal now. Okay. This is now horizontal. Now you can slicer title layer, put it as off. Okay. And these are the items that you have. The font color, you can increase it to make it black. Okay. Text size, you can make it, you can increase the text size. Okay. Background color, let's say want to make it as dark blue, and font color you want to change it to white. Okay. Now you have various options to select from all this, right? This is one way of creating a slicer for categorical variables. Now if you want to put it, if you want to put it as listed items, means as a part of drop down. So let's another slicer, and we'll see, let's create another slicer, and this slicer could be good candidate for this slicer. Room type, let's say room type is another good candidate for slicer. So I'll first select the slicer, so that will engage the placeholder for slicer, then type. Okay, so these are the two types of rooms that are available.